In this video we give a comprehensive overview of pseudopsychology, its practices, domains, and how it uses human psychology. What is pseudopsychology? Pseudopsychology refers to the application of psychological principles, theories, or methods that lack scientific evidence, empirical support, or are based on unproven assumptions. Practices. 1. Unproven therapies. Pseudopsychological practices include unproven or disproven therapies like recovered memory therapy (RMT), facilitated communication (FC), attachment therapy (AT). 2. Assessment tools. Pseudoscientific assessment tools, such as Myers-Briggs Type Indicator (MBTI), Enneagram Personality System, Graphology, handwriting analysis. 3. Self-help and personal development. Pseudopsychological self-help and personal development programs, like the Law of Attraction, Neuro-Linguistic Programming (NLP). Landmark Forum. Domains. Domains of pseudopsychology are 1. Clinical psychology. Pseudopsychology often masquerades as legitimate clinical psychology, offering unproven treatments for mental health issues. 2. Personnel selection and development. Pseudoscientific assessment tools are used in hiring, team building, and leadership development. 3. Education. Pseudopsychological methods are applied in educational settings, such as learning styles and personality-based teaching. 4. Marketing and advertising. Pseudopsychology is used to influence consumer behavior and decision-making. Using human psychology. Pseudopsychology exploits human psychological biases and vulnerabilities, such as 1. Confirmation bias. People tend to accept information that confirms their preconceptions. 2. Placebo effect. Individuals may experience benefits from pseudoscientific treatments due to their expectation of improvement. 3. Authority bias. Charismatic leaders or experts promote pseudoscientific ideas, which are accepted due to their perceived authority. 4. Emotional appeal. Pseudopsychological practices often appeal to emotions rather than logic or evidence. Examples. Example of pseudopsychologies are 1. The Dunning-Kruger effect. People with limited knowledge or expertise may overestimate their abilities, leading them to accept pseudoscientific ideas. 2. The Forer effect. Individuals tend to accept general descriptions as accurate and personalized, such as horoscopes or personality profiles. 3. The Barnum effect. People accept general descriptions as accurate and specific to their situation, like cold reading techniques. Critical thinking. To avoid falling prey to pseudopsychology, encourage critical thinking by 1. Evaluating evidence and research. 2. Considering multiple sources and perspectives. 3. Being skeptical of unproven or unsubstantiated claims. 4. Emphasizing empirical support and peer review. By understanding pseudopsychology's practices, domains, and exploitation of human psychology, you'll be better equipped to critically evaluate and address these issues and challenges in your life.